I think just from a relationship standpoint, we just have had a really good working relationship. I think of the word partnership, which I think is different than some of the other vendors maybe that I've been involved with, where it seems more transactional. I feel like this Sapiens relationship has truly been a partner. We're each invested in the success of the other. The success of Sapiens is the success of RLI and vice versa. Yeah, we really got value out of that. Just additional touch points with the system experts, additional touch points with other clients. I think those are really the two key things. Just being able to talk through real world problems and get input from other people that maybe have had the same issues or similar issues, just brainstorming together. Sapiens manages all the behind-the-scenes technical aspects of running the system. They help us with our upgrades, technical resources. Again, historically, servers or any sort of technical hardware type stuff we didn't have to deal with. So that's been really awesome, just not having to worry about some of that stuff. And when we have issues, we get to talk directly to the experts on the system. The people, the kind of one and the same. The people that we get to interact with care about, again, our success. It's fun being able to interact with them year after year, the client conference and stuff. It becomes like family.